So this is my exhaust. I ordered it from Japan, right-hand drive Japan. It's an Exos Evo, and it's going on this car right here. It's a 1997 Toyota Soarer with a 1JZ GTE. There's a stock exhaust, just idling. Just started the car, so it's a little bit louder than it usually is. But check the digital dash. Everything looks good. Another sound clip. Alright, let's open this thing. It's covered in tape. Here we go. As you can see, GP Sports XS exhaust systems. Let's fold this over. That looks to be the mid pipe. I got the muffler tip, whatever you want to call it, out of the box, the smaller box that it was in. I also see this. They gave me like a authentication and a sticker or something. But let's look at this. Dang. Okay. New exhaust is going to be a lot less restrictive than the old one. It's a catback, bolts in right there, gets rid of those two, and gets rid of these two right at the end, making it flow a lot better. The easiest way to get these hangers off right here is just to spray some WD-40, lube them up, and get them right off. So it's been a couple days. I was able to only get the rear mufflers off just because the bolts that were holding on right next to the mid pipe and the cat were all rusted to shit. So me and my homie, we've been out here with the cutoff wheel, and as you can see, trying to make this work. So we got one bolt done. Now we're on to that bolt, which, as you can see by the rust, that thing was never gonna come off. And we couldn't reach it with this originally, so we dropped the hangers from right here, and we're gonna be able to get it now, so exhaust will be on soon. Okay, so we were finally able to get this exhaust off. Had to cut off the old bolts. Now, just gotta put the new one on. All right, hopefully you guys can't hear the fan around me, but I'm just getting some sandpaper right here. This thing is rusted, like, very badly. Like on the top here, that's just terrible, but after this, should be good. Hit the go ahead, put the new one on after I get new bolts from Tractor Supply or something like that, but that's it.
That's not even that loud. It's a little bit more loud though, for sure. If you drove this on the highway, it'd be droney as hell. Yeah, it would be. For sure. It actually doesn't sound bad. It doesn't sound bad. And then you got the blow off. It sounds really good.
Okay, so we were finally able to get the exhaust off. Had to cut off the old bolts, which, as you can see by the rust, that thing was never gonna come off. And we couldn't reach it with this originally, so we dropped the hangers from right here, and So I know I didn't show me putting on the exhaust. I figured that was pretty simple, and honestly, I didn't have 3 hands to hold the phone and put the exhaust on the whole time. I didn't want to leave any fingerprints on it, so I wiped it off. I didn't want to leave any grease marks, anything like that, but there you go. There's a look at the new exhaust. I do have one small leak, and I think that is from us trying to get the old exhaust off with a dang grinder, but that's it.